In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund from Nike. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so to get a refund from Nike, so if it's an online purchase, you need to initiate your return. So visit Nike's return page and sign into your Nike member account. Locate the order containing the items or items you wish to return. Select the items and provide a reason for the return. Submit your return request to receive a prepaid return label via email. Then from here, you need to prepare and ship your return. So securely pack the items, including any original packaging and tags. Attach the provided return label to the package, ensuring any old labels are removed or covered. Drop off the package at your nearest postal service location. The refunding process. So once Nike receives your return, they typically process refunds within several working days. You will receive an email notification when the refund is initiated. The refunded amount may take additional time to appear in your account depending on your financial institution. In my experience, it could take a couple of days up to 5 working business days. Now, if you've got the item for in-store purchases, so you need to return the items to the original store of purchase along with the receipt of or proof of purchase. Items should be unworn and unwashed with original tags attached. The store staff will process your refund according to their policies. So some side notes here. So Nike's standard return window is 30 days from the date of purchase, so keep that in mind. Items should be unworn and unwashed. If you purchase customized Nike by you shoes, they are also eligible for returns within this period. For more information, you can always head over to Nike's refund information page.